Bagul.
Baluarte.
Yeah, we're here.
Mascon Plus.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Char.
There's other people.
Ito na sila guro, sila na.
Yeah. Ecosport. Yan. Wala na sila signal eh. Yeah. Our photographer is here. Lucas. Morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Four. Sa ABC Mall.
Ay, alam mo, sorry. Mag-video mo na. Okay lang.
No, you don't have to go closer there. You should do like this way. Yeah. From the top.
It's so busy. I'm busy. Wow! I don't need this bottle to go. We're gonna stay up. I have to. Hindi na later na lang.
Dudalong guro.
Yo. Try on the volume.
Bang rose fruit na yan. Datong fruit yun. Sit down here. Yeah, you can rest there in the house.
We get our own room. We got the lantern. Even visitors. Don't get too close. Burning. The bamboo. It's wood. See? Look. It's getting even more hotter. See? Look at the other bamboo. The gas is going inside and sooner it will pop.
Good morning, Lucas.
Morning.
Breakfast time.
Morning.
Ang sarap ng init sa umaga. Pagdawa lang kabili.
3, 2, 1.
So here at Baluarte, walang signal. Sobrang walang signal, walang signal, walang signal. Which is good. Kasi na-enjoy talaga namin yung place, na-embrace namin. But the problem is yung parang kinakabahan ka na pag uwi mo, ang dami mong na-miss. Ang dami mong na-miss na messages, important things. So it's really important na planned pag pumunta sa gantong mga lugar na walang signal, na lahat ng naiwan mo is settled, so that you have peace na pagbalik mo walang nag-aabang na mga, alam mo yun, mga responsibilidad na nagpapadali ng mundo mo. Mga responsibilidad na nagpapabilis ng mundo mo. Kasi pag nandito ka talaga, kahit nakahapon I'm with my friends, we are just talking and talking. I think we just have 1 hour sobra na talk. But we feel like ang tagal naming nagstay because hindi kami nagsi-cellphone. So pag wala pa lang social media, na-realize ko na ano pala talaga, no? Yung mundo mo, bumabagal. So one of the thing na nagpapabilis ng mundo natin is yung social media. Hindi natin namamalayan, nag-stay na tayo sa social media ng how many minutes, how many hours. Naki-carried away tayo sa mga napapanood, nakikita, nababasa, yung parang ganun. Hindi, ang dami tayong nami-missful things sa earth, like ng mga ganitong place. Baluarte is not so big. Pero since dahil nga walang social media, hindi kami masyado maka-phone, parang mas nafe-feel namin na special yung place. Mas na-appreciate namin. Kasi kung may social media, wala na eh. Pag na-post mo na yung picture mo, tapos na. Parang tapos na. Pero ako parang na-enjoy ko yung place talaga. Yung sound ng bamboos, yung wind, yung mga insects sa gabi, yung falls, river, birds, and the food is the father and daughter conversation. Ano kaya ang pinag-uusapan nila?
Bye, Baluarte!
See you soon again.